A very good morning to all of you. I hope that you are safe, and I also hope that you have watched the previous video carefully. The student, in the last class I told you about how we insert and format pictures and word art. In this class I am going to tell you about how we insert shapes and symbols. So let us start today's class. Open page number 68, inserting shapes and formatting shapes. You can insert various shapes in words such as lines, rectangles and arrows by using the insert tab. This feature of Word is very useful as it lets you improve the presentation of a document by including diagrams and other figures. Means we can make our document more presentable, more attractive with the help of the shapes and symbols. If we insert shapes in our document, then our document look more attractive. Understood? In short, with the help of the shapes we can make our documents more presentable. How we insert shape? What is the path to insert a shape? Page number 68, inserting shapes. To insert any shape, follow the given steps. The first step is click on the insert tab. Where is the insert tab? Click on the insert tab. After that, click on the down arrow next to the shape option under the illustration group. In the illustration group, click on, this is the shape option, click on this down arrow option. Then select the desired shape. Select the desired shape, which shape you want to insert, then click on that shape. Click and move the mouse pointer to the document area. Right? I repeat once again. To insert shape, first of all click insert tab. Then under the illustration group, click on the shape drop down list. Choose the desired shape and move the mouse pointer to documents. Right? I repeat once again. Click on the insert tab, illustration group, click on shape option, then choose the desired shape and move the mouse pointer in the documents. Now, page number 69. By default, the fill color of the shape is blue. Underline this point. By default, the fill color of the shape is blue. You can see when we insert a shape, it is in blue in color. You can change the fill color, outline color, etc. of the shape using the options present under the format tab. We can change the color, we can change the fill color, we can change the outline color, we can change the look of the entire shape by the option which is present on the format tab. Look on this bar. Home, insert, page layout, reference, mailing, review, view option is available. But when we select any shape, then another tab will appear, that is format tab. Click on the format tab. Then you can change the fill color also. You can change the outline color. You can change the shape effect. Right? How we change the appearance of the shape? First of all, select the shape, then click on format tab, then click shape style, in the shape style click on shape fill option, choose the color. You can change the textures also. Change the outline color, You can change the width of the outline, right? Shadow effect, so in this way we can insert the shape and we can format the shape. I repeat once again. To insert shape, click on the insert option, insert tab. In the illustration group, click on the shape option drop down list. Choose the desired shape. Move the point on the shape. If you want to change the appearance of the shape, then first of all select the shape, then click on the format tab, then click on the shape fill option if you want to change the fill color. Then you can also change the gradients, textures. You can change the shape outline also. You can change shadow option, 3D rotation, like. Understood? Now open page number 70. Adding text inside a shape. You can write text inside an inserted shape by right click on it and choosing the add text option. Type in the required text in the shape. It means that you can insert text in the shape also. If you want to write in the shape, then we can write also. How we write inside the shape? Right click, select the shape, right click, then click on the add text option. Understood? How we insert shape? How we insert text in the shape? Right click on the shape, then click on add text option. Write your text. Right, select. In this way we can insert the shape. In this way we can add the text in the shape also. I repeat once again. How we insert shape? To insert text in the shape, first of all select the shape, then right click on the shape, then click on add text option. After that type your text. Change the color of the text. Size also. Right. In this way we can insert the text in the shape also. Understood? I repeat once again. Select the shape, then right click on the shape, add text, write your text, and format the text as per your choice. Now page number 71, inserting symbols. Word also allow you to insert some special symbol in a document that are not present on the keyboard. MS Word provide option to insert a symbol which is not present on the keyboard. Example of such symbols including euro sign, greater smaller sign, smileys also. How we insert symbol? First of all, place the cursor where we want to insert a symbol. After that, click on insert option, insert tab, then click on the symbol drop down list under symbol groups and choose the desired symbol. See, I repeat once again. First of all, click on the insert tab, then click under symbols group, click on the symbol drop down list, choose the symbol and click on that symbol. Your symbol will be inserted. Understood? Now open page number 72. More symbol option. You can insert lots of symbol present in the MS Word. Insert symbol, click on more symbol option, then choose the search your desired symbol. Most of the symbols are present in the symbol and wingdings 2, 3. Most of the symbols are present in this font style. Wingdings, then right, wingdings 2, wingdings 3, understood? I repeat once again. To insert a symbol, first of all, place the cursor where you want to insert symbol, then click on insert tab, click on the symbol drop down list under the symbol group, click on more symbol option and click symbol in the font dialog box, font drop down list, symbol, or you can choose wingdings 2, 3. Okay, wingdings. Select your symbol and click on insert option. So in this way we have completed chapter number 5. I hope you understand. Watch the video carefully. Okay, thank you.